able to mutually agree. They can mutually agree and come up with a parental responsibility agreement. Because when it comes now to the child, we have the legal custody and actual custody. Legal custody refers to who is taking responsibility over this child, who is meeting the needs of this child. Actual custody means who is living with this child at a particular time. So we find that parties can agree. Then we find now who is providing for the needs of this child, who will take up school fees, who will take up the shelter, who will take up the food, who will take up the medical cover, entertainment, clothing, and all that. So you find that where parties are able to agree, they can mutually agree and come up with a parental responsibility agreement. I've mediated several of those cases whereby parties have come before me, appeared before me as a mediator, and I've helped them resolve and come up with a parental responsibility agreement. Now, where parties are not able to agree, then now we file a matter in the children's court, whereby now sometimes the party A says, I'm able to stay with these children. And we are seeing things changing because nowadays we just don't have single mothers. We also have single fathers. We have fathers who are also fighting for custody of their children. We have cases whereby the mother is negligent to the children. So the father will petition to the court, it is in the best interest of this child that I be the one to have the actual custody of these children and take care of the children because of reason 1, 2, 3. So you petition the court through the children's court in a children's case. So now, you get to petition, like based on this and this evidence, I'm the person who is best suited to stay with the children. So whichever party that gets the actual custody, the other party should be able to have something we call access. So if you're the one staying with the child, maybe during school time, you stay with the child. When the child has closed for school holidays, I also get a time to spend with the child. Then you agree to split between the responsibilities, who takes who or who is able to provide for, because not the parties, maybe the mother and the father, they don't have the same financial capability. Yes.
And divorce cases have been on the rise.